In this video I'm going to show you how to disable comments on WordPress using the Gutenberg editor. Now this is very easy to do, and first you need to log into your blog post in Gutenberg. Once you've logged in, if you look at the sidebar to the right of your screen, you'll see just at the top there's two headings, document and block. Here you need to make sure that document is selected, and then you need to scroll down the sidebar right to the bottom, and here you'll see a section called discussion, and you'll see there's two check boxes, and it's the allow comments section that you need to just click the checkbox. Now you can go back up to the top and save your draft, and now the comments are disabled on the post. So that's a really easy way to disable comments on your WordPress website. If you enjoyed this video, it'd be great if you could hit the like button below. If you want to see more videos like this, you can subscribe to the channel by clicking the red button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified when I upload more videos. You can find more WordPress information and resources on the blog at explorewp.com.